a simple cake. Today we're going to make a simple vanilla cake using 1 cup of sugar, half cup of vegetable oil, 3/4 cup of yogurt, 2 eggs, 2 cups of wheat flour, baking powder and baking soda, a half teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now I'm going to powder the sugar before starting preparation of my cake. Now that's the powdered sugar, to which I'm going to add the yogurt. I have just mixed the yogurt and the powdered sugar a bit, and I'm going to add the oil to this. I'm now going to use a beaker to whisk it up. You can also use a hand whisk to do it, and just whisk for a couple of minutes, about 5 minutes or maybe 4 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to light the stove and keep a wide-mouthed, hard-bottomed pot, or in this case it's an uruli, a traditional Kerala cooking utensil. And I'm also going to keep a grid on top, and I'm going to cover it with a glass cover. This way we can see what's happening inside. It's better. And while this is heating up, I'm going to finish mixing up my batter. By the way, I have a prepared tin here into which I rubbed a bit of oil and then put in a bit of flour and spread it evenly. So my baking dish is ready. I'll add a teaspoon of vanilla essence to this. Normally use cocoa powder, but today I'm making a vanilla cake, so I'm adding the vanilla essence. I have added the 2 eggs also to this mixture and whipped it up. Now I'm going to add the flour. Now I have poured the batter into the baking tray, and I'm going to keep it on the stove. As you can see, it's very hot now. It's steaming, and I'm going to keep my baking tray in the... I've kept my baking tray or spring foam pan into the uruli or the hard base pot, and I'm going to cover it up. I'm going to leave it like that on high flame for about 5 minutes, and then I'll reduce the flame to medium and wait for the cake to be done. I have put the stove on medium flame, and I'll leave it there for about 40-45 minutes till the cake is done. It's about 45 minutes since I put the cake for baking. Looks like it's done. It's come out clean, so the cake is done. I'll turn off the stove and remove the baking tray and leave it to cool. Well, that's the cake. It's cooling, getting cold. So it's soft, as you can see. This is the vanilla cake that I made. I've cut a slice from it. And just to show you how soft it is, I'll cut one more piece. It's really soft. So please do try this recipe, and I hope you like it.